kini long kijing penmana kibai day but COVID-19 menta kasi khatsau tarik u August 2004 hado shibaje mensingi ki case ki batmai belong positif ki long live pesan lagi ni ki live pesan hapo East Coast Hills ki don khatsau pada kini ki khatsau new ki di BSF but new ki di QA Southwest Garo Hills iway West Garo Hills R4 pada kini ki R4 khandri ki di BSF but south ki di QA ki active case ki bangidan hadu mentakasi kelum lang baro kilong nrispa Southway apo East Coast Hills ngidan South Park hat khandai pada kini ki South Park hat khandai Profesan gini na BSF new fuay na ki armed forces but aspa nrifulai kidai na kiway West Coast Hills lie Southwest Coast Hills iway Ribhoi Prafulai West Janta Hills Khandriu East Janta Hills Sun West Garo Hills Chispa R Southwest Garo Hills Lai South Garo Hills Lai North Garo Hills Nril Bala recover haro mentakasi kilong live sao kibarang thamai pada gini live sao apo East Coast Hills dan life way pada kini life way iway po ide na po armed forces pra na po BSF RR na kiway West Garo Hills R ide BSF East Janta Hills iway na kiway di sampel bagi part test hado mentakasi RJ mensingi bilong Safu R1000 khandai spa shpo but ki test negative bilong Safu 1000 South spa R test report ki bangidang up hado menta RJ bilong pumba aspa sanpunyo ki breu ki barung siapa kejela ke ni hado RJ mentak sini kilong arfunyo hajar news pa ndreu nyo but kibala recover baro lang kilong sanspa trapway bakla ado mentak kilong ndreu kini lai pesan mut kibayi long positive mentak sini napo East Coast Hills kidon khatsau badna kini khatsau nyau kini biasa iway ide returning napo Haryana iway ide staff nurse ibatray po civil hospital Shillong lai ide high risk contact iway ide contact iba ngidang le contact tracing menta nomor 4 dikira nang no iyo ni u kenyang Jepang iway di sari case Southwest Garo Hills iway ide returning napo asal West Garo Hills R4 khandreu ide napo BSF lai ibangile random sampling napo Fulbari CHC but iway ide i portray but ibayrak napo Corona Care Center kepada napo Walbagre high risk contacts 2 are from Molite Nongkwar okay and one is Upper Shillong
ni Molite Nongkwar kadai kitu ki high risk contact dengan agreements to no
yes same
ni Upper Shillong kan
all three are high risk contacts from Molite Nongkwar yes negatives okay this one This one is from Rilbong. Remember that first case in Rilbong is reflecting now only, this particular case. Alright. So this is the person who has no contact, no travel history. We are just, as of now, we can't find out from where he contacted. So that contact tracing is going on. But his job, okay, his job and his Mrs. job, okay, his wife, I think wife became positive first and then now the husband. So what happened, their job is that they go all over. I can tell only that much, okay, that is one. Number two is that they've got a shop there in Red Bar also where people go and have tea, coffee or whatever it is. They have that type of shop. So that is a thing. Sari case is from Barapathar. Yeah.
Likelihood bagi Rilbong Rukila.
No, we are closely monitoring all these places. Not only here, Garo Hills also. Garo Hills also we are monitoring. So we will take a call when we see that how it goes. Okay, every day because we got only one case. Okay, next day another only one case. We have done a lot of random sampling and only one case has come out. So we'll see first. We'll wait. Seen here that they had attended Nazareth Hospital, that tried and admitted in Nazareth Hospital isolation, not corona case. No. Sari cases. Tiga peni ba to mentah hiyo ni corona khasau sing hadin saja. Imili kalau negatif lalu recover. Tapi mentah fitna peti kan ni ka bagi recover. Mo ngan stress ba kan ni bagi recover. Mentah ki bagi recover kilang hadu sanspatan. Mo sanspat frapuai. Ajam 50%. Tiga ni ka peni ba ha kan ni ka uni corona virus dalam berlalu hadu kata-kata ni, berpecitam hadu kata-kata, nomor kibastam hadu mentang indan ni kibastam jur. Mau kita kibastam jur, kibadan jurho, kibadan jingship, kibong hapai oksigen, boni kita ngin hapuin, no ika oksigen nomor kibadan kamsu. Tega mut ka kani ka ni ya kata jong jingkerman ni. But one kalawan ni kata jingkerman kawan jingjok kajuk.